Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl JaleaNicole and I am back here with another tutorial. But before we get into it for real, I'd like for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd like you to go ahead and click that bell because I know you want to be part of my family. I know you want to get all the beauty updates. I know you want to get all the hair updates. And I know you want me to feed your spirit with a few words from the Lord. You know, just some self-growth type videos. So if you want any of those three, any combination of that, please go ahead and subscribe. So now we're going to get into this video, what it means. This tutorial here is actually a collaboration. I reached out to one of my honey bunnies, Miss Bree. Hey, Brittany. I have been on YouTube now for 7 years. This is my 7th year. March 2011 is when me and YouTube became acquainted. And with that being said, the first video that I actually did a tutorial for was a response video for a contest. It was a makeup contest, and I entered Little Miss Pumpkin Pie 05, aka Miss Jackie O, Miss Jackie Aina. This is before she was going by Jackie Aina. She was kind of Jackie O in her video, but it was Little Pumpkin Pie 05. I entered a bad girl makeup contest and I actually won. That is the first contest and the only contest I've ever entered, and I will link the video where I entered, and I will also link the video where she announced me as the winner, because I just thought, you know what, this is monumental for me. Like, I just thought I had won the Grammys, like, because Jackie was one of the first YouTubers that I was just like enthralled with. It was crazy. I had a set 2 or 3 at the time, but Jackie was all the time. Everything. I was all of her life updates, her service, talking about in the service and all the things. If you've been following Jackie O since she was Little Pumpkin Pie 05, let me know down below. But I reached out to my girlfriend so she could help me celebrate my 7th year. And if you guys don't mind, if you would share this video with Jackie, just because I want her to really know the brevity of the interactions back then with her, how serious it was for me, because it kept me going. It really did. Like, her validation at that time really gave me a lot of hope and a lot of strength to go ahead and do what I was feeling in my heart to do, which was makeup artistry. So share this with her, please. I would love it if you guys could do that. Tweet it, Instagram it. I mean, I don't know how you want to share it, but just reach out to her and let her know, just to watch it. If she would just watch it, I would be completely honored. So I'm not going to hold you guys any further, but with the makeup contest, I won sleek palettes. And so I decided today to use the sleek palettes. The look is not exactly the same. The look is my updated version of that look, because first off, the camera quality was so completely different back then, and because I was using my webcam, I was using my laptop, guys, and I used Windows Movie Maker to edit. Like, when I tell you, started from the bottom, now I'm here, and I'm still not where I want to be, but look, I'm getting there. So I decided to use some of the things that I won from the contest in the video and to do my take on it now, like how I would want this look to look now that I look back at it, kind of thing. So yes, thank you guys for always being there for me. Happy 7-year anniversary to you guys who've been rocking with me since day one. And those who haven't, hey, welcome. However long you've been here, happy anniversary to you. I love you and thank you guys for everything you do. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Pretty picture for the ones that She thought